Kia's Highway Driving Assist 2 brings advanced driver assist features, including automated lane changes, adaptive cruise control, and lane centering. These smart technologies help reduce fatigue on long drives and add an extra layer of safety for your most precious cargo. The infotainment system is intuitive and packed with features, boasting dual 12.3-inch screens that provide crisp graphics and easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Seamless smartphone integration means your favorite apps, playlists, and contacts are always within reach. Kia uses recycled and bio-based materials throughout the interior, proving sustainability can be practical and stylish. From eco-friendly seat fabrics to soft-touch surfaces, the EV9's cabin is as good for the planet as it is for your family's comfort. The EV9 offers luxury-level features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and premium audio, alongside ultra-fast charging speeds, all at a price that makes going electric accessible for more families than ever before. It's a game-changer for families wanting to go electric without compromise, blending practicality, technology, and style in a way that few SUVs can match. The EV9 is ready for everything from daily errands to epic road trips, making every drive an adventure. The EV9 is one of the most important EVs of 2026, setting a new standard for what a family SUV can be in the electric age. It's already turning heads at auto shows and generating buzz among experts and families alike. With the EV9, Kia proves that electric can be practical, affordable, and undeniably cool, making it the perfect family hauler for a new era of driving.